Are you looking for garage door services in the Land O'Lakes, Florida, local area? If so, we can help. Our garage door service providers can offer the following services: garage door broken spring replacement, garage door broken cable replacement, garage door broken track roller replacement and lubrication, garage door weight balancing, garage door opener repair and replacement, garage door sensor adjustment, garage door panel repair or replacement. Our service providers have your satisfaction as their highest priority. Visit our website today. GarageDoorInLandO'LakesFL.com